Next property is soil contains water or moisture. Water is usually present as a thin film. Thin film means thin layer around the soil particles. A thin film or layer of water is present around the soil particles. This water is called soil moisture. We can understand this fact by performing another activity. Activity to show that soil contains water. For that, we take some dry soil in a hard glass beaker and cover it with a lid, such as a watch glass. Heat the beaker using a burner. We will see that tiny drops of water are formed on the inner side of the lid. This shows that even the soil, which appears to be dry to us, contains some water. When soil is heated, then water present in it evaporates, forming hot water vapor, which gets cooled and condenses on the cold inner surface of the lid to form drops of liquid water. From this activity, we can understand that the soil which we have taken in the beaker contains some water in it, which got evaporated and then condenses to form droplets of water. We can find out the percentage of water in soil with the help of this formula. Mass of water in soil divided by original mass of soil into 100. We can obtain these values by doing a simple activity. For that, we have to take some soil and weigh in it on a balance. This will give us the original mass of soil taken. Place this soil on a newspaper and keep it in bright sunshine to dry. After drying, weigh the soil again. This will give us the mass of dry soil. Subtract the mass of dry soil from the original mass of soil. The difference in the mass of soil before and after will give us the mass of water in soil. And if we multiply this value with 100, will give us the percentage of water in the soil. Next property of soil is soil can absorb water. Though soil usually contains some water, it can still absorb a lot of water. And we can find out the percentage of water absorbed with the help of this formula. Mass of water absorbed divided by mass of soil taken into 100. This formula can be derived as V1 minus V2 divided by M into 100. This values denotes, V1 denotes initial volume of water, V2 means final volume of water, M means mass of soil, and this value will be multiplied by 100 to get the percentage of water absorbed by the soil sample of soil. For this, we require a beaker, a funnel, a measuring cylinder and dropper along with a filter paper. Filter paper is folded and fitted in the funnel, and the funnel is kept on the beaker as shown in the figure. Some soil sample is taken in the filter paper which is fitted in the funnel. Then some water should be taken in the measuring cylinder. With the help of the dropper, we need to add water dropwise in the soil sample. Keep pouring water in the soil kept on the filtered paper till it just starts dripping from the lower end of the funnel. Then stop pouring more water on soil. The dripping of water from funnel tells us that the soil taken on the filtered paper has absorbed the maximum amount of water. Subtract the volume of water left in the measuring cylinder from the initial volume of water taken in the measuring cylinder.